Get ready. Disney California Adventure had a rocky start when it opened in Disneyland Resort in 2001, but has slowly solidified itself as one of the greatest theme parks in the world. From brand new lands in Cars Land with Radiator Springs Racers and soon to open Adventures Campus, to updates in the theming for Pixar Pier with Incredicoaster and Toy Story Mania, there really is something for everyone in this magnificent park. While the big attractions get plenty of praise, this park is really filled with some brilliant smaller attractions that, in our opinion, don't get the attention they deserve. So with this list, we're highlighting some of our favourite underappreciated Disney California Adventure attractions. Get ready. Number 5. Animation Academy. Animation Academy allows guests to learn how to draw their favourite characters from Disney films. Each lesson focuses on a different character and is led by an artist at the front of the theatre. This attraction is great for kids and featured in our Disney California Adventure Family Tips video, which you can click on in the corner up there. But it's great for adults too. No matter what level your drawing is at, you can take this class and produce a pretty good drawing with the right help. Each lesson takes 30 minutes, and what's great is that if you enjoy it, you can go again and draw a completely different character. It's all indoors, so it can be a good way to get out of the heat during the summer. And on top of this, you can get a souvenir to take home in your drawing. This can be a great way to take memories home from the park without breaking the bank. All of these factors make it one of the most underappreciated Disney California Adventure attractions. This is located in the Animation Building in Hollywoodland, along with 2 other attractions which we'll talk about later on in this video. Number 4. The Bakery Tour. Experience a replica of Boudin Bakery in San Francisco. The Bakery Tour allows you to see with your very eyes how the famous Boudin sourdough is made. Upon entering the bakery, guests will receive some sourdough to try. There is then an optional video where digital hosts Colin McCree and Rosie O'Donnell take guests through the history of bread. After this, you can tour the factory and look through windows to the different steps in the process of bread being made. This attraction is great because you can walk through it at your own pace. I personally avoided this on my first trip to the park as I thought it may have taken up too much time in my day, but guests can enter and exit as they please. It really just takes about 5 or 10 minutes to walk through and is a great indoor break between bigger attractions. You can also get free bread. While a little bit off the beaten track in Pacific Wharf, this is definitely a worthy way to spend part of your day on your next visit. Number 3. Turtle Talk with Crush. This attraction lets guests interact with Crush from Finding Nemo. This is truly a magical experience, as Crush will reply in real time to any questions you have. As you enter the aquarium, you'll see Crush through a huge window. Kids will have a great time chatting with Crush, and may also see some other characters from the Finding Nemo films, such as Dory, Squirt, and Nemo himself. As one of the most unique Disney California Adventure attractions, you could visit every attraction in this park, and this one will likely be one of the memories that sticks with you. Turtle Talk with Crush is a great interactive experience for kids, but great for adults too. This is located in Hollywoodland in the Animation Building, along with Animation Academy and another underappreciated attraction we'll talk about next. This attraction can also be found in Epcot in Walt Disney World. Number 2. Sorcerer's Workshop. The third entry from the Animation Building is Sorcerer's Workshop. To summarise, Sorcerer's Workshop is another interactive area with objects that allow guests to learn about animation. You will also find a magic mirror that will speak to you. Tucked away right at the back, you will find a secret entrance to Beast's library. This beautiful room changes design every 4 minutes and features interactive books that tell you which Disney character your personality most resembles. This secret room featured on our Disney California Adventures Hidden Gems video, which is up in the corner right now. Sorcerer's Workshop is great for a number of reasons. Firstly, like most attractions on this list, you can enjoy it at your own pace and spend as little or as long as you want here. Secondly, its interactive elements make it very memorable and something kids will very much enjoy. Lastly, it's in an area with other great attractions, so can be enjoyed in an indoor area as a break from walking and queuing for bigger attractions. The Animation Building is certainly a hotspot for underappreciated attractions. Make sure to spend some time here on your next visit. And number 1. Walt Disney Imagineering Blue Sky Cellar. This one is great for anyone who aspires to be an Imagineer. Walt Disney Imagineering Blue Sky Cellar shows you how Imagineers take concepts and drawings into characters and attractions. This attraction usually features different exhibitions based on what has recently opened in the resort. At the time of this video, much of the area features concept art, scale models and sketches from Pixar Pier. The name Blue Sky comes from a type of thinking that represents imagination without limitation. Imagineers use this technique when coming up with ideas. Therefore, you will see concept art for things that did come to be, as well as more outlandish things that just stayed as ideas. Nonetheless, this is a fascinating area for both creative people and people who just love Disney parks. Its location makes it one of the hardest underappreciated attractions to miss, as it's right on the path between Buena Vista Street and Cars Land. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out our hidden gems and family tips videos for this park that we mentioned earlier. They're on screen now. Be sure to subscribe to our channel too to keep up to date with all of our latest content. Let us know in the comments below if you have any other attractions in Disney California Adventure that you think are underappreciated. And now you're ready.